Okay, so how to load your thermal sticker label printer. Very easy. Okay, you take out this is supposed to be like somewhere there. Take that out. I'll try to make it in one shot. You get the big roll. This is a 500 labels roll. Okay, it's complicated to shoot, and okay, but see, take that out with one hand, holding the camera, and the other hand. Okay, you put that in there. Insert. See, it comes out in the other side, and just close it in the other. Let's see if I can show you this. There, just close it over there. There, it just doesn't even click or anything. Okay, so you have one side and the other side. You put it in one side and the other side. This is not science fiction. This is not rocket science, you know. There, very easy, very easy. It's some people. I'm doing this video because some people are afraid. They don't know how to do it properly. Okay, here I'm giving you how to do it properly. There. And I'm just aligning it, and you adjust these guys, so it's adjusted, so it can still move. It can move, but it's delimited. Okay, it should be delimited. Okay, so this is like the center. Your roll also has to be in the center, because right now, if you can see, there's a lot of space here, a little space here. What's gonna happen when you print? You're gonna get cut, because normally all these labels are printed, you know, to the blood, to the side. So if this is not properly centered, you're gonna have some problems. So calculate, see that more or less it's the same. You can adjust these pushers, you can adjust them a little. See, from here you can just adjust manually. Make it look that it's centered, that it's yeah, more or less. Okay, more or less. Later on you can adjust a little more if you want. Okay, and put the first piece of paper and let it here where this, on top of this reader that detects if there's paper or not. Okay, so on top of the roll, and on top of the reader, so it detects there's a piece of paper. And that's pretty much it. Okay, close, turn it on. Let's see, it should detect that there's paper and do something about it. It's not doing anything. Let's test printing. I sent something to the printer, and there you go. First label complete. That's it. Second, third, perfect. That's it. Say thank you, Kuya.